Welcome to Fitness Tip of the Day. It is Friday afternoon. It's 5 o'clock and I have a great, easy, delicious, healthy meal that you can try this weekend if you're on a mission to lose weight and get healthy and fit. All right, guys. Hey, Shay. Nice to see you. My name is Abby. And you know, I've been regularly getting on here live, giving you guys some strategies and tips to help you lose weight and get healthy and fit. And I have to tell you something, that food is huge, okay? It's huge. If you're really, your goal is to lose weight and keep it off over a period of time. So if your goal is to lose weight in a healthy manner while still eating, all right? Because I know some people choose to do strategies that they don't get to eat when they're doing those strategies. I am not someone for that. I say eat. Eat. Your body needs the nutrients, your body needs the calories. You just have to set yourself up to go out and try these new recipes. Every week I'm going to be sharing another easy, healthy, quick, tasty recipe that you can try on your own so that you can see and create a menu of recipes that you love to eat. So you stick to the eating plan. Hey, Stephanie, nice to see you. Lizzie, David, Philip, thanks for joining me. So I'm going to tell you what, this is my recipe right here. This is what I made today. This is Parmesan chicken foil, okay, packets. Simple. I'm actually going to make it right now for you. I'm going to show you how easy this recipe is. Because I think people get fearful. Okay, they think, oh my, look at that thing. That looks like it's too hard to do. It's not too hard. I'm going to do it right now. Okay, it requires is chicken, all right? So, hey, Holler, she's doing another meat recipe. I am. Out of all my recipes so far with these lives, I think this is like my third meat recipe. So we've gotten 2 in a row. All right, so this is zucchini. Now listen, do you have to use zucchini? No, you don't have to use zucchini. You can use any squash. You can use mushrooms, you can use broccoli. With this recipe I'm going to show you that's quick and easy and tasty and delicious, you can use those others. If you don't have zucchini, zucchini's in season right now. So try it. If you've never tried zucchini, give this one a shot. All right, so now look. All I'm doing is I'm going to cut this. I'm going to slice it. All right, slice, 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 slice. Now, this recipe calls for 4 chicken breasts. I'm going to show you 1, okay? And then when this is all over, I'm going to post the recipe in the comments. All right, so you get 1/2 is going to go, 1/2 is zucchini is going to go in your foil. Now you're going to pull out some foil. Okay, you're going to pull out some foil. You're going to put it down your tray. You're going to place your zucchini pieces right on that foil, right in the center, right like that. Voila. Nice and easy, right? Then you're going to take that zucchini. We're going to put a little bit of salt, little bit of pepper, little bit of parsley, pepper. Look, I'm not putting a lot. Little bit of sea salt. I'm spraying it with olive oil. The recipe actually says to dump olive oil, but we care about calories, all right? So we're not going to dump. We're never going to dump olive oil. Okay, we're gonna use sprays, if at all possible, if we can maintain the flavor with sprays. Okay, so I put that in there. I put the zucchini in the foil wrap. You guys can see at the bottom. I put the zucchini in there, salt and pepper on there, a little Parmesan. I'm gonna grab a piece of meat, piece of chicken. It is a boneless, skinless chicken breast. I already trimmed the fat off. I'm gonna throw that right on top of that zucchini. I'm going to spray oil again. All right, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder on there. And this I'll actually have measured out for you guys in the actual recipe that I post in the comments when we're done. But I'm just like, yeah, eyeballing it, and some of us who've been cooking for a while, we can, okay? So I put garlic powder on there. I'm gonna put a little bit more Italian seasoning. It's like a quarter of a teaspoon for each piece of meat. Then I'm gonna put a little bit, it's supposed to be a quarter cup of pasta sauce, and I'm putting it right on top. All right, that's it. And I'm gonna put salt and pepper on the meat too. Salt, sea salt, pepper, little Parmesan, because it's called Parmesan chicken foil, so we gotta put some Parmesan on. Woohoo! And guess what? I hate to tell you guys, but guess what? It is done, all right? That's it. All I do now is I'm going to fold it over. I'm gonna fold it up, my foil. Now you see this? It's done. That's how I cook it. And now there's two ways you can cook it, okay? You can throw it on a grill. On the grill, you can put it on for 8 to 10 minutes, okay? Once you've cooked it 8 to 10 minutes, you're gonna slice the top open and you're gonna put a little bit of mozzarella on top. That's it. If you cook it in the oven, you're gonna put it in the oven right like this. 30 minutes at 375. I don't know your oven, so take that into consideration. Maybe it has to be a little longer, maybe a little shorter. You'll have to check the chicken. Last 5 minutes, cut the top again, put a little bit of mozzarella on it, and that, folks, ends up being this. Look at that. And I have to tell you, you guys are looking, you're probably saying, oh, this girl can cook. I am not a good cook. I mean, I will try things, okay? I will get in the kitchen. I tried this. I made this earlier. I tried it. I love it because guess what? It's chicken, zucchini, and some tomato sauce. Little bit of cheese. Not a lot of calories. Not a lot of carbs for all you people who don't want a lot of carbs. All right, zucchini is about it. If I wanted something else with, by the way, this would be 2 meals for me. This would not be 1 meal for me. But I'm a girl, I'm a woman, right? And I'm not a big person. If I was a guy, this would probably be a meal. As a girl, half of this would be a meal for me. Okay, so this would make 2 meals. Okay, for me. So now if I wanted a little bit more besides zucchini and my chicken breast, maybe I'd have a leafy green salad. And that's it. That's a perfect meal. I'm hitting all the food groups, a lot of vegetables. This will fill me up. And I'm making all this, I'm making 4 of these foils because you're going to have 4 pieces of chicken, of which for most women, one of those chicken breasts is 2 meals. Okay, so that's awesome. Let's see, Stacy says. Listen, guys, I want you to participate. Can you write right now, right where you are watching this from? What state is everybody from or country? Because I know I have a few people from the UK and Australia who occasionally watch. Let's see, what did Stacy say? This is great when camping too. That's right, it's awesome when camping. Any of these 4. By the way, there's a lot of Kentucky. All right, Dina, where are you coming from? Virginia. MS, what's MS? Is that Mississippi? What's MS, David? Anyway, so there's a few of these foil pack kinds of meals. This is one. This is one Parmesan chicken foil pack. There's several of them floating around the internet that you can try that are just as easy as this one. I put this in the oven or I throw it on a grill, Mississippi. All right, David. And guess what? I opened it up after I put the mozzarella on. Last 5 minutes, I put the mozzarella, and then I threw a little bit of parsley on it. I literally just took it right from the foil, put it on my plate, and that's how it looked. And it looked fantastic. And I'm not even very creative like this, all right? This is really, really good for me. I'm proud of myself. You guys should get proud of yourself. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to go in the kitchen. I always try my recipes before I share them with you guys. So I've had a few duds. I've had a few duds over the years. My duds won't ever make it to my lives. So if I'm showing it on a live, it's a good stuff. It tastes delicious. So I'm suggesting you guys have a go at it yourself. That is your fitness tip of the day. Parmesan chicken foil. Easy breezy. I did it right in front of you. You can do it too. Now listen, my lives are going to change next week. I got some stuff going on. I'm going to be going to Tuesday night. I'm going to try to get one of my girls from my weight training class to maybe do a live with me and show some demos of how to do some weight training correctly. And then I'm going to be doing it probably Friday night with my live again, and probably over the weekend with some motivation lives. So we're going to have some changes here, but I guarantee I'm still here, guys. Because, you know, my goal is to help you lose weight, get healthy and fit, and keep it, sustain it for the rest of your life. What do you think, Stacy? You're thinking of trying this? Give it a try, girl. And if you do it, come back, comment on my comments, and show me a picture. I want to see it. I want to hear about it. I want to know how you do with it. Now remember, guys, I personal train. I do online personal training. Guess what? I give you meal plans. I give you customized workouts you could do in your home. You can do it at gym. And I walk you through this process and this journey of losing weight. If you're interested in hearing more about that from me, message me. Otherwise, you guys have a great night. Now listen also, guess what? My live last week had 1,600 views. Can you believe it? Woo! From last Friday, 1,600 views. I don't think that's my highest. I think my highest is 1,800 or 1,900. But hey, maybe we can make today's one of my highest. Why don't you guys share it? Because you guys are doing this. Share, share, share. Write comments. Tell me where you're from. Tell me if you're going to try to do this recipe. If you know better recipes you think I should try, comment. And I'll be back Tuesday night with your next fitness tip of the day. You guys have a great day. Thank you.